Hey, what's up, y'all? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Alright, y'all see the market. Guess we got gaining back our losses we took on yesterday. Now the market moving a little forward. It doesn't mean anything. Shutdown still going on. Next week you got the interest rate cuts on the 29th, so that should give us a little push. If everything goes out positive, we're expecting a 25% rate hike. He might give us 50, I don't know, but it's expected 25 for October and 25 for December, 25 points, but we'll see if he luck up and give us 125 and 150. Urgent sell, urgent buys. Let's go in and get through this trade. ULTY. Man, been having a sell-off last couple days. On yesterday, everything had a sell-off, though, especially dealing with the stuff in China. Right now it's at 498. Man, overnight it got down to like 459. With 459, 460. I brought 25 shares at 460, 25 at 480. All the way down. I've been buying these dips on this. Right now I got 3,494 shares at $5.42. I want to get me 5,000 shares. Then I'm chilling. Just going to reinvest the dividends and get fractional shares from there on out. But I got a Weeble portfolio and I trade ULTY in there also. But where else are you gonna get these type of returns, especially people that's chasing yield, people that's trying to retire early? You're not gonna get these kind of dividend yields. You gotta have the yield max ETFs to do that. They're a little volatile, but you're gonna get that income. You gotta learn how to reinvest the dividends. You gotta know when to buy. You can't just be buying to buy. Don't put your account on drip and let it buy when they want to buy. You know, you got to get yourself manually and buy it when these things tank. Especially in Robinhood, you could trade them overnight. That's when they usually go down the most. When I'm just chilling at night, I get the notification. When I'm doing videos, I get it. And I go in there and buy. But I always set buy limit order. So when it goes down, it triggers, it buys it. I don't have to go buy to waste time. I can be asleep. I can wake up and see I did get those shares when it did dip. When the stock did dip. Yeah, that makes sense, whatever. Anyway, I went and put a buy limit order at $4.60 for 100 shares. Just in case it does go down, I'm buying that and keeping it. I brought 200 shares at 506. I was doing that for a swing trade. Just in case this ride back to the 515 mark, but most likely I'm gonna just keep it. Just want to get my 5,000 shares, so I'm gonna get my $5,000 and I'm chilling. That's why I'm using margin. As you can see right now, I got a dividend payment for tomorrow or for the day at $286.46 at 3,172 shares. Right now, I currently have 3,494 shares. So on my way there, gonna slowly get it. Okay, that's that. Let's go with BDN Brandywine. I think they had good earnings. This a REIT. Let's look at the 52-week low on this one. It's 341. It's at 364. I had a buy limit order. I know I put one in. Put one in at 360. 359, rather say. This definitely one I need to come down in. Y'all not in this one. Stay out of it. This popped up on my notification telling me it was down for the day. So going and get a little bit of that. When the interest rates get cut, that's when these REITs gonna fly. Tesla was down 5%. Tesla had bad earnings on yesterday. This is gonna go back to $600. You know, Elon is more than just a car company. You know, they deal with the robot soul and a bunch of other stuff behind the scenes. And also got those little tiny houses and homes and stuff coming out too. So Tesla definitely a long-term play. I'm gonna start getting more of that. Another one I'm gonna start getting is Amazon, which I'm already buying. I just did an article, just did a short on it. You go and check it out. But they about to have not higher, but anyway, 600,000 robots by 2033. And say the automation They're going to have 70% automation. By 2023, they're going to cut 160,000 jobs by 2025 to 2027. Somewhere in there. I did the video, but it's on there. So this definitely one here. They say they're going to be saving like 36 on every package. So they're going to be making money. They saving on payroll. Revenue going to be better. They cutting down expenses by saving on payroll. Another one, IBM, is another one to focus on. Another AI one was down today, earlier today, 5%. Gonna be getting some more of that also. Just giving y'all a couple of them growth stocks. Medifast, y'all know this swing trade I got. If y'all upside down in this one, this would be 1, 2 to go in and get for the day. Gonna get some of that. If you're not in it, stay out of it. I'm selling at $14. PMT, I'm gonna give y'all this one. Like I said on yesterday, I sold 68 shares in my Webull portfolio at $12.53. It got up to $12.73 today. All the shares I brought at $11.60 and lower, I think I'm gonna sell them and rinse and repeat, just in case it go back down below the $12 mark. It does have a, sorry for getting out of it, let me revisit it, 12.62% yield. It paid 40 cents a share quarterly, but right here you can see by Seeking Alpha, I think they got a signal they're gonna up their they're gonna hike the dividend to 42 cents a share per quarter. So that'll make it go up, go back up. As far as the prices, people gonna jump in for that dividend. Got MSTY. This one here been getting whooped. Got down to 11.42 today. 11.31. Made a new 52-week low. So go in there and get one share at that price. That's why I say you got to know when to buy these stocks. You got to buy these things when they are down. If you up a lot, you got to sell them. When they do go on a run, a good run, and you got you 25, 30, 40, 50, 100 shares that you can make 30 cents, 45, 75 cents a share, do it. Because they're going to come right back down. Or just don't worry about it. Just keep it and just reinvest to another play. I'm gonna give y'all a play to going to OXXQ back on the run. I'm going in that 178. It's paid 3.5 cents a share a month. I'm loving this stock and this dividend for now. I'm gonna get 3 shares because it's gonna pull back. I really wanted that 170 not on market. Put in extended. But now that it's running up, I'm going to help push it up. But I want it at that 170 mark. Let me make sure I got a buy limit order at 168, 170. So when I did today, got 169, 25 shares. 171 for 25 shares. So I'm good, covering the ground there. YBit. Options on Bitcoin down to 885 today. $3 worth right in here. I like this at 10 and under. I'm going to get me a share. Instead of me owning Bitcoin, I have this. At least I get paid for holding the dividend. Thinking when they go back past that $10 mark, I might sell all these shares to bring down my average cost and rinse and repeat. Leave the remaining shares for the dividend. This does pay out monthly TCPC. I just get a fractional share, buying dollars. Every day I buy 5 shares at the end of the week at the weekly low. So I can get the best possible price. This the play I'm giving you. If y'all tired of all the other yield maxes, I put my money in this one. This is my favorite. ULTY I like too. Now I can't hate, but this like becoming my favorite. which is YMAX. I'm at $13.54 at 560 shares. Going in at 12.11. Look like this trying to ride back up. I want to get me 500 shares of this one. $9. We'll get $3 worth anyway that the price is at. PFLT, 10 cents a share a month. Taking advantage of this below the $9 mark. That's a BDC. IWMY is another one I like. Options on the Russell 2000. Pays out weekly. HRZN. Horizon Technology. 11 cents a share a month. Get a fractional share every day, buy 5 shares every week, like I do with the other play. This will be a nice swing trade, boy. If this can go back past that $7 mark, I got a bunch of shares. I'm loaded at $7 and $6 and under. SRLN, safe play, 8% dividend yield. I got average cost of like $41.38. Anything below that, I'm buying it. Got it in another portfolio, but you can buy it in this one. 7.6% yield, 52-week low 39.08 with a high 42.09. Two Harbors down 972. And it's right there. I like this at 10 and under. I'm at 1142 right now. DISO, options on Disney. CHMI. Nice quarterly paying REIT. This gonna be a swing trade. 52-week low 225, 52-week high 368. I'm at 290. Bring down the average cost. I don't worry about it. When that quarterly payment comes, it's gonna be a nice banger. Got 490 shares. LFT is another one, gonna be a swing trade. If y'all out of it, stay out of it. If you want to be risky and make a trade, 52-week low 284, 52-week high 174, 14.69% yield. Might experience a dividend cut if anything, but still getting a double-digit yielder. Like I tell people, that's the only thing dealing with the high yielding REITs and BDCs. But over the long run, your total return, you will be good. MFA Financials. Another nice one to have. 931 million market cap. I like everything over $1 billion, but 15.49% dividend yield. 52-week high 1275, the lower 785. Nice swing trade. Talking about $3 a share. Got good. Gladstone commercial. This one here pays out monthly. And coming on down. This dollar cost averaging into it. Ain't doing a whole lot with it. I'm probably gonna get out of these Gladstone products, to be honest. Got some better little things out there to buy. They're not gonna give you the highest yield, but they are sustainable. Ready Capital getting his butt whooped down to 304. This gonna be a long-term play. This is what BDC. It's risky that, so just for you to know, it does pay 12.5 cents a share every quarter. But once this ride back up, I'm gonna make my exit up out of there. And probably be done with it. I'd rather swing trade Prospect Capital or deal with Horizon Technology. DEA, bringing my average cost down in this one, as you see every day that follow me. Let's do XOMO options on Exxon Oil. Another nice monthly payer. Bring that average cost down in PYPY. Options on PayPal. Like this at 11 and under. Hopefully this go back above the it was up at $11.61. My average call is at 11.661. So doing good on averaging down. All right, let's go check out traps. Yep, but I am definitely loading up on YMAX. Got buy orders in at 11.96. Main Street Capital. This one been getting whooped last couple days. It's at 57.50. Got a 52-week high of 67.77. 5.17% yield. Get that every month. And then get back to there. I'm selling it. New Tech. I'm at 12.38. Average down, and this one will be another one I'm gonna exit. Trying to clean up my portfolio a little bit with less positions for the long run, because the economy about to change up, and these companies not gonna be the company they were before, because people about to be out of jobs. Get some Kraft Foods. Buying whole plate here. Definitely catch that 26 and under, load up 25 and under when you want to double up. Comcast will get some more of this on the down days. All I needed some good earnings from Comcast for this to go up. Pets had a nice run, like it's pushing back towards that the $3 range where I want it to go. Help ride it up. It's gonna be a nice trade. And I exit out of this one. $3.34. I'm at $3.34 a share. 52-week high, 685. I'm gonna sell it at $4.10, and I'm out. Ain't looking back. That's it. Put all that money into like YMAX, CHCT. Down day to day, why I'm buying this, 13.27% yield. 52-week high is 2087, low 1330.23. Got Brandywine. All right. LYB, we know this is Green Day, but it's still down. When you bring down your average, while it's at this price. Get the AFCG for the day. It's a dividend play, also going to be a swing trade. It's at today's low, 338. Some NLY. $0.70 a share every quarter. USOI, all the oil stocks on their way up. All right, FSK had a nice run, 1508. Push this up a little bit. Let's see, Shamara Investments, 1292. Another nice REIT. 52-week low, 985. It's got to come down some more for me. 1596. I got to come down in this anyway. But it's a nice investment. Got over $1 billion market cap. For what I can remember, it does 1.05 billion, 11.31% dividend yield. Not bad buy there. Wendy's like it's coming back down. SCHD, see where I'm at. It's at 2703. Let it come back below to get in the $26 range. Let's look at USOY. USOY at 724. So starting to go back up. How much is the question? Gaming and leisure. A global medical REIT. I don't know how I keep calling that this. The average cost while it's cheap. All right, got SoFi and Hood. Webull up 1.47% from yesterday. Catch that on a down day. Hood, I got in good on Hood. Now I'm up. I doubled up yesterday. I got 1.26 shares now. I went in and kept coming down after I did this trade and posted it. Came down to like 122-ish. I went in and brought my average call down to 126.94. That's how I'm gonna play it. This gonna be a nice swing trade and start killing me to get in and out of. I want SoFi to come on down so I can do the same. Right now I'm up, but I need to get some more of that stock too, man. But anyway, signing off. Go get your money. Enjoy your day.